Hello everyone, this is Peyton Honig, and we did our Fire 103 project on the Hartford Circus fire. My partners were Kip Klingerman and Joshua Thomas. On Thursday, July 6, 1944, the Ringling Bros and Barnum and Bailey Circus was having a circus on a warm summer day. What was believed to be started by an unattended cigarette that was put down next to the tent that attended the circus caught on fire. The fire took the lives of 168 people and injured over 700 people. Mostly women and children died, unfortunately, with having over 6,000 people in attendance that day. There were also over 100 animals that died that participated in the circus. The tent canvas was waxed with paraffin and gasoline to waterproof it. There were many exits, but some of them were blocked by animal cages, and other exits were too small for the number of people they had. Flames were engulfing the west and main entrance. The crowd fled to the remaining exits. On the south side of the tent, people could exit with ease because of the 4 unobstructed exits. The people in the reserved seats on the north side had a harder time because the nearest exit on the north side was blocked by animal cages and chutes. The center exit was barely 5 feet wide and quickly filled. The east exit by the bandstand required the crowd to either cross over a set of stile steps over the chute. Others tried to tear through the tent canvas. What started the fire was believed to be by an unattended cigarette and started on the western side of the tent. Once the fire department got to the fire, they were not able to save anyone inside the tent because of the tent collapse. The tent burned down in less than 10 minutes due to the extreme flammability of what caused it. In 1950, Robert Dale Segee admitted to starting the fire, but later recanted. He was later convicted of other arson charges and murder. There was lack of fire detection and suppression systems. They did not follow exit code standards. There were no sprinkler systems. All the fire extinguishers was still in the storage and not put into place. The building construction was 180 foot wide by 425 feet long. It was over 74,000 square feet. The tent was waterproofed with 6,000 gallons of gasoline and 1,800 pounds of paraffin. After the fact, there were new regulations put in after the Hartford Circus fire. The NFPA 102 was created. The regulations put into place a fire department on standby for all performances with hose lines charged, clear aisles. A tent must have flame retardant treatment, must be emergency lighting system, make sure exits are up to standards, seating must be secured to the floor, fire extinguishers in place, and personnel trained to use them, and smoking restrictions were put into place. And that is our project. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed.